Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom highlight filter to find all of the tasks in a project plan that don't have a predecessor. Right, let's get started. From the Gantt chart view, go to View and then look for the Highlight menu and select New Highlight Filter. I'm going to give it a name. No predecessors. And then under the field name, we're going to select the predecessor field, and our test is less than 1. I also don't want summary tasks to be highlighted, so I'm going to put and field name summary test does not equal yes. And finally, I don't want my first task on the project plan to show up. So, and ID does not equal 1. I'm just going to click Save. You probably won't get this message, but as you can see, I've previously created a no predecessors filter and stored it in the global template. So I'm just going to say that I want to replace it. Yes. Now to apply my new filter, go back to the highlight menu and just click no predecessors. And there you can see the summary task doesn't have a predecessor, but it's not highlighted because it's a summary task. And the very first task on the plan is not highlighted either because it's got task ID of 1.